why then.
Yeah, not to go.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the condemned cell for those troublemakers. Some were fighting the British, some were showing misconduct. All those guys, here was their reward, to death. Okay. You are going there, watch your head so that I don't hit inside.
This is the area specifically for what? People who were, they considered as troubled.
And how many people can fit in a cell?
50.
Humidity?
Yeah, this is the room.
And how long would you be in here?
You'll be here for about 3 days and then you die.
Do we get to eat?
No.
What about water? What about water?
No water and no air. It's like that. See, there's 3 doors. 1, 2, 3, closed. But it's the masters. And one interesting thing about this room was that even if one person dies here, that person will not be taken away forthwith. They wait till the last person is finished before they dispose the corpses. So some struggle with their teeth, with their chains, to scratch on the ground. See, if you look on the ground, you see some scratches. And then others to struggle with their teeth and then their fingers and to bite on the wall before dying.
So it's like the torture people at the same time. It's like, and they leave people with dead bodies so that they must be tortured.
This is like the also they laughing in here with somebody.
Others, and when others are dead, they will leave you to until you die.
So you must imagine, women and the smell of men. That's really. This was mostly men that came down.
Yeah, men, they were here. The women, on the way to the female dance, you have a small room, small one, like an arch, on your left side, on the right side. That's the condemned cell.
For the women who were the troublemakers.
Yeah, the women who resisted rape, resistant. They were kept in that small room to serve as a lesson to the rest.
They serve as a lesson because they were raped? No, resisted rape.
Resisted.
Resisted what you die. Watch your head going down. Coming down.
Watch your head.
That was what they resisted and you die. Resisted and you die.